Hi guys, welcome back. This is Team Terra, and I'm going to be sharing with y'all my Obliphica review and how they reached out to me and gave me their shampoo, their mask, and their serum. Let me say I've heard so many good things about them, and so I had to give them a try, and I have nothing but good things to say from start to finish. So of course I am going through some postpartum shedding and my hair is coming out like crazy. You might see some hair strings looking longer than the normal. But yeah, so I took a few pumps and I didn't need that many. I only needed two, and I got a big helping of shampoo, and I was able to work that all through my hair. I usually with shampoos and when it comes in the little squirt thing, I used to have to push it down a few times, and it came out easily. It was like a clear consistency. It was clear color. The consistency was amazing. It was thick, enough for me not to have to wash my hair again. It stripped my hair, but not to the point where my hair was dry after taking the shampoo out of my hair. And that's always a good thing, especially with natural hair. Being that I have natural hair, I tend to stick with natural hair products. Surprisingly, this has been one of my favorites that's not natural hair. This is for thick, I think it's, yeah, from thick to coarse hair. And I also have the fine to medium hair that I will be trying out as well. But again, this is not a natural, this company does not focus on natural hair. It's just good quality products. And I would love to acknowledge the fact that, you know, even though it doesn't have it did do some justice to my curl pattern and the moisture. So this is the hair mask. It has like some little beads in it, kind of like exfoliant, it looked like. But when I rubbed it in my hair, it like totally disappeared, and I was kind of shocked. I was like, oh, look at this, like amazing, right? So since it did have that, I was and then I'm shedding a lot. So I tried to do the sandwich method with applying the mask instead of raking it, because I usually do like sections and then pull, but my hair is shedding so bad. So I just tried to do the raking method, the sandwich method, and raking the product throughout my hair. And I didn't need much, and a little did a lot. So kudos to Obliphica for doing that, because it did have my curls popping. My hair was very moisturized, and you will see, because these curls, sometimes it takes a lot to get them popping, because it's getting longer, it doesn't bounce back like it's supposed to be. Like the bounce back is not that good. But unless I put product in after washing it. And so I let that sit on the deep conditioner's hair mask. The hair mask sit on my hair for about 10 minutes while I took a bath. And so now I'm rinsing out. So I tend to do a mask and then take a shower after I rinse the mask out, because, you know, like the product be on your body and all that. So I took one bath prior to, put the mask on my hair, let it sit for a little bit, and shaved and all, took a bath. And then I took a shower again after rinsing out the hair mask. And I love the way it made my hair feel. After I got out, I did apply my leave-in conditioner, my hair serum, the hair serum that Obliphica had brought, and yeah, so it made my hair look really moisturized. It was curly, and I don't have anything bad to say about it. Like, from the shampoo to the serum, it left my hair feeling amazing. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.